Let's just go through bedroom lights. Do you want me just to be your chooser and we just make this bad boy come together, or is your heart set on it must be chrome and not black lighting? Or...
I don't really care. I don't know if the picture shows the light in the bedroom.
Yep, it does. It's a white fan.
Decently nice.
Or you're not funny. You're not. Stop it.
I was
right
looking,
now.
I thought it looked fine.
Oh my God. Why does everybody want to keep these fans every time?
I just feel it looks like it'd be expensive, so like if it's fine.
It's $100 for a light fixture, my friend.
Are we we'd probably want a fan in there too, right?
It is a condo. There is no air conditioning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, that's kind of what I was thinking.
I was just gonna do black all through, and yes, we can get a fan.
Yeah, I feel like having a fan in there, if it's not too much more expensive.
Of course, but like, so yeah, like something contemporary, and then in the kitchen we'll have track lights that are black. So then.
Okay. Yeah. Great.
Like we want them to be something, just an ugly white one, and everything else looks brand new. Awesome. Yeah. So no, okay. I do get what you mean. Like we would probably go that route than that route.
Perfect.
Or something like that.
And there's
right?
better reviews too.
Yeah. Right.
Great.
So things like that.
Easy.
Easy peasy. So we were thinking. Quartz is fine for you, like for both. I'm just gonna see if they have extra slabs because they're just really small pieces.
Okay.
And then Jared, we're gonna do backsplash of tile, right?
Yeah.
To make sure that we protect the walls. So we'll make sure that the tile goes down to the countertop and not, and yeah.
Yeah, the tile will cover from
right now
the bottom of the countertop
goes
all the way up to the bottom of the cabinet.
Yep.
So bathroom, we're thinking ceramics.
Okay.
Floor, and then obviously your shower from the top of the tub all the way to the ceiling.
Well, obviously you'll talk to the painter, but do you want to feature stuff? Like maybe we'll have color everywhere, but make this kind of island a feature situation.
If you guys think that'll look
like
cool, yeah, let's do it.
I don't know. I feel like this is a masculine place or part, but
well, I'm probably not going to have a female tenant rent it since it's on the ground floor.
Exactly. So I'm thinking more of a masculine look, like keep it kind of dark, but contemporary or cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then with the stainless steel, have nice rich floors, and then make it a light wall so it's not like super dark in there. And then any other features, if we were to do the cabinetry, I think it should kind of flow with the floors and then go from there.
Okay, sure.
Do you want the cabinet doors to be flush, or do you want us to show you some different 3-piece, 2-piece style? So it's like frame, no frame. Right now it's just like, what's gonna be the lowest cost?
What's gonna be affordable and durable?
Well, we're only getting like a few pieces, so it's not the end of the world, but
what do you guys recommend?
I like framed, but you don't have to do that, because if it costs more than it needs to, don't do it.
We can look at the options.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can give you some samples.
Because the painter's just gonna paint it, so it's not gonna be
Actually, we might go with the vinyl wrap.
Oh, okay.
So it's more durable than paint.
Yeah.
And I believe it's more cost effective too. Because they come finished and then we just install them.
Right.
Mm-hmm. As opposed to having to prime, paint, to coat.
Well, as a rental, anything that we put in there, it has to have a longevity of not being treated to the best. Like we have to keep that in mind. We'll do all of the covers too, so new covers for all of the electrical.
Okay.
And then besides that, I think we covered it all. We'll rip out the floors, new floors, paint, cabinets, appliances, light fixtures, ceiling must be painted. The laundry area, I think you should put tile. Is that okay? So the bathroom and the laundry, or do you want to?
I don't think it'd be necessary.
No, just vinyl plank there?
We could do maybe, I don't know, it's such a little space.
Well, I just thought it's a little space, they're side by side, just toss the tile from the bathroom over into the washer and dryer.
Are you thinking just in case there's a leak or something?
That's my biggest worry, always.
Well, it is, like you will have some material left over.
Exactly.
Vinyl plank. So
we can have the extra for if anything happens.
It's on concrete, it's on the bottom floor. If something happens, it's easy to replace it.
Yeah, so if you want to have vinyl plank over there, up to you.
But it's up to you. We'll leave that.
The vinyl plank will probably be a little less expensive, hey, than the...
Vinyl plank will be less expensive.
Of course.
Okay, let's just do that then.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it.